Finally, the live hands-on look of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is here. Couple of days ago, Samsung Russia official website accidentally posted the official images of Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in mystic bronze color, on which I've already made a detailed video. Just click on top right I button to watch it. Anyways, here we have the official hands-on look, and this time it is real. Yes, it is real. We got these images via a new Twitter source who has user ID of Jimmy is Pro. This guy has just did amazing. The phone looks really symmetrical. As you can see, those corners of Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, these looks actually so satisfying, and we know that every Samsung Note series device has these kind of box corners, not the rounded corners. This is an official symbol for the Note series from Samsung. We have the glossy black color of this Note 20 Ultra, and there could be these three colors also as well. The phone is equipping really a big camera module, even bigger than the one on Samsung's S20 Ultra, and bump of cameras is also high as well. Phone has triple cameras at the rear side, with the last one a periscope lens which will be just limited to 50 times zoom, because according to Samsung they ended up with 50 times zoom to improve the zoom quality of cameras this time. And then we have a LED flashlight, and below that we have a blood pressure sensor or heart rate sensor, maybe. I am wrong, I don't know what this is. This is how the front of the phone actually looks like. We have almost same design as of Note 10 series, not almost, I would say it is fully same design as of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 family. We have that amazingly curved display with a center punch hole camera design. This is what we have already seen on Galaxy Note 10 lineup, so this time we are having no major changes in design from front side. And if you look at the top left side of the display, then there is a tape sticked. I don't know what's the mystery here for applying the tape. Are they covering something or anything else? Nothing confirmed. We have all the physical buttons on the right side of the phone, and this last image from internal about section has clearly revealed that the Note 20 Ultra will appear in market with One UI 2.5, which is absolutely next level change in user interface. Do let me know what do you think about the Note 20 Ultra design. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.